Now the first sign and the most common sign is worn out of the teeth. Your teeth may become flat while you are doing teeth grinding. Second thing, you can feel the sensitivity in the teeth. And the third thing, you may feel the multiple cracks in the teeth, multiple fractures in the teeth. You can feel. You can also feel the chipping out of your teeth. You can complain that your enamel is coming out or chipping out. Your teeth is fracturing, in this particular condition. Apart from this, you can also feel some earache, and you can also feel pain that is radiating through the neck. You can also feel the sore jaw, and apart from this, you can also feel the dull headache.